Yeah.
What kind of angle is this?
It's the best angle.
Alright, we've got bird's nest. Made from bird saliva. Let's give this a shot.
Oh,
Oh, I don't have nails.
you can't open the can.
Oh, this is so minus aura. Fuck. Hold on, you give it a shot. It's gonna be with my teeth. Go for it. There you go. That's pungent. It's delicious.
What does it taste like?
That's fucking delicious.
What does it taste like? Explain it.
Like rose water.
Out of 10.
8.
8 out of 10.
Isn't that? Hold on, wait, Lily. Hold on, try this. Are you still recording this?
Yeah.
Lily, try this.
Natural what?
Sweetness. It's very nice. Isn't that good?
It tastes like maple syrup.
Yeah. Right?
It tastes like maple syrup.
Wait.
Like
You
sour.
guys need to try some. I
know what it is. I like
Harry,
it.
do you like it? Go on, Harry. Have a sip, mate. Anton, alright, what do you think, Harry?
I don't think it has flavor.
It's a bit sweet though. Wait, Anton.
Maple syrup. Like or like a sour.
I don't know how to describe that. It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
No.
What does a lizard
Do you
think?
like it?